All right, cool. So you have three things given in the description. So the first one is that B is the midpoint of AC. So here's AC down here. If B is the midpoint, that means these two are congruent. DA and AC are perpendicular. This means perpendicular, which means it's going to have a 90-degree angle. So DA and AC is this angle here, and then EC and AC is this angle here. Okay, and this is the next one I added. DB is congruent to EB. So that's going to be this and this. And I have to use a double because I already used a single here. So here you have side, skip, side, angle, which is not one of our things. But you do have the 90, and you have the hypotenuse, which is across, and you have the leg, and that matches on both sides, hypotenuse and the leg. So this one's HL. Okay, this one you have PQ and SR. So with this one, it might be a little tricky to see, but the two triangles here, it's PQR, and then the other one is SRQ. So those are the two triangles. PQ and SR. PQ, SR, so that's these here. The long sides are congruent. Then S and P, S is this angle here and this angle here. Then you'll notice that these lines at the bottom are the same. So let's put a double there. So let's check the red one first. You have angle, side, skip, side. And then the blue one, you have side. Did I not mark this one? I didn't mark this one. Oh, I marked that one twice. Ignore this right here. Side, side, angle. So this one is not congruent. For this one, we have the diagonal AC. So AC is right here. It bisects BCD, and BCD is this right here. So this gets bisected, which means these are congruent. Oh. No, it doesn't. This right here is why those are congruent. That being bisected means that these angles are congruent, because that's what a bisector does. The angle gets bisected, so it splits this angle exactly in half. You have these two are equal. And then they share the side. So that's the other special case. Your two special cases. Two special cases are vertical angles and, yeah, we'll run into that later. Vertical angles and shared sides. So here you have side, angle, side. Down here, side, angle, side. There's nothing to skip, SAS. Okay, so you have B is congruent to F, B is congruent to F, BA, so BA is congruent to FL, and we want side, angle, side. So far we have side, angle. There's only two other places you could put it. So let me show you the wrong one first. If you go here, AT and LU. Here you'd have side, side, angle, which is not what we're looking for. So instead, what you want is not that, but you want this. So side, angle, side, angle, side. This one is called BT. It is congruent to UF. Okay, same thing, we have BT, FU, BA, and FL. And we need angle, angle, side. So we actually just have one side, so this isn't helpful. Angle, angle, side. We could do, there's a multitude of things you could actually do. Okay. So now you have this. So L and A. So that gets this angle. Then we need one more angle, so it's going to be U and T. So in this case, you could go either direction. Angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side. So you can say angle A is congruent to angle L and angle, what's the other one I did? U and T. Angle U is congruent to angle T. That flew. So same type of problem. B and F. BA, FL. We need angle, side, angle. So I have an angle on the side already. So this is going to be the other one. I have to put a double because I already used a single. Angle, side, angle. So that's A and L. Angle A is congruent to angle L. Okay, all pairs of congruent parts. There's going to be three things. 3 angles, 3 sides. The angle is going to be easier. So with this statement, that's all you need to make these 6 things, sorry. Angle R, angle L, angle H. Oh, I realized you used an L twice. Let's make this an O. Then O, then H, then S. So from here, you have the 3 sides are RL, LH, and then RH. R matches with O, so that's going to be O. L matches with H. L matches with H. H matches with S. R matches with O. And then H matches with, I used 2 H's also. Well, you get the idea. H matches with S. Okay, so those are your answers. If it bothers you, we can make these A's right there. Then everything works out just fine. OAS. Okay, that's the first page. Feel free to go back if you need to